Hey, it's Sean Wynot here with Blue Cow Marketing, your HubSpot certified partner. And I want to show you today the social side of HubSpot. Now, this is part of the Marketing Hub. If you're aware of how HubSpot works, there's different hubs. There's Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, all depending on your type of business. But the Marketing Hub is chock full of a lot of power. And one of the sections that I absolutely fell in love with when coming on board with HubSpot is their social section. So if we look under marketing here on HubSpot and we go to social, right, it's going to give us this section right here. So I am going to show you, I've got a social post that I'm going to post out here on our social channels. I'm going to show you how easy this is to do that. Now, if you're familiar with other social scheduling platforms like Hootsuite or CoSchedule or things like that, very similar to it. But the fact that it's fully integrated in your CRM means that this is all trackable through the whole marketing channels. You can run automation off of engagements and all that fun stuff. So we're going to go ahead and click on create social post, and you're going to be posed with the 4 social channels in which you can post to. Keeping in mind that you're not necessarily having to pick the first one here. You can choose them once we go into it. So I always go ahead and I click Facebook. Facebook is our flagship social content channel. We also have other ones we're going to post to as well. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click Facebook. And I already wrote the post, so I'm just going to paste it in there. Did a blog podcast this morning, so I'm going to put that in there as well. I'm going to keep the link in. Doesn't hurt for me to keep it in there. I could remove it if I want. But the things to notice is at the top here, tells you where you're going to be posting. So this is our Facebook page, obviously with the Facebook logo there. When is it going to post? It's automatically going to pick an ideal time. Now, within the settings of your HubSpot account, you can pick different times in there. But if you don't want to post it then, you can go ahead and pick a custom time, or you can click publish now. I'm going to do publish now for that one. And then as we scroll down, we can say schedule another. So, excuse me, we're going to click on LinkedIn, and it's actually going to bring the content down in the same post. Now, you can go ahead and change it up for the different social platforms that are there. In this case, I'm going to keep it the same just for this demonstration. Keeping in mind that you also have the option to add in images. You could go ahead. LinkedIn doesn't support the videos on the company pages from a social post platform, but you can here on Facebook. You can put a link, or you can put in different emojis. And again, you have different scheduling options. So I'm going to go ahead and actually leave that one at 11:09. And then I'm going to actually do Twitter. So Twitter, it's telling me that the content is over the character limits, and I am okay with that. So I'm going to delete some of this. There we go. Perfect. Now, tweet, I'm going to actually put that out right now. And let's go ahead and schedule this. There we go. So it's telling me that there's the posts are scheduled and some are going out now, and they're going to show up here. Now, some of the other things that you can do, which I also love, is the monitoring. That's a hard word. Monitoring section. So we go into the monitoring section, and this is where you can see all your different activities. As you create your accounts and set them up in here, like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, you're going to see that they're going to show up in here. Now I can go ahead and look at, okay, show me just my Facebook accounts, and then I'm going to see all my Facebook stuff. Or vice versa. So I'm going to do all networks. And in one spot, we're able to go through and see what the engagement is here, right? So there's a like there. That's perfect. I'm just going to check that off that I saw it. And okay, somebody liked that one. No problem. Okay. So, there's a bunch of comments that are here, reactions and so forth. So I can go ahead and do that. Now, I don't have a lot since I've done this that are in here, but if there are comments, if there are tweets and so forth that you're mentioned in and they show up here, then you can go ahead and reply to them, and it will reply back out to that native platform, which is really awesome. You can create your Twitter stream. So I got retweets and mentions set up here for my 2 Twitter accounts. You can also, right now in beta, at the time of recording this, create your competitor streams. So we click on this, we can go in here and actually add in a competitor. We put in their website, and it's going to go ahead and it's going to pick content from their social content there, and you can go ahead and monitor that as well. So really cool functionality that's in here. And then also under your reports, so this comes up, you can see your different audiences here, your published posts, your clicks, your interactions, your impressions, different sessions, any new contacts that came from it, your top posts. You can see all this content here. A great reporting tool right within HubSpot. So if you need a way to manage your social content, if you're looking for a CRM system that's actually going to be a complete 360, very whole in its way of helping you keep organized, grow your business, grow your sales, and really have that confidence that your business and the information, the data, the follow-up is happening consistently with purpose, then you should consider HubSpot. Like I mentioned at the beginning, I am a HubSpot certified partner. So if you would like to talk more about HubSpot and your business, you can go ahead and contact me. You can either comment on this video where you see it, or you can go to our website, bluecowmarketing.ca. That's blue, B-O-L-E, cow, C-O-W, marketing.ca. Contact us there. There's a chat window that pops up. You can chat to me immediately and we can set up a call. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, awesome. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, comment, tell us what you'd like to learn more about, and I'd be happy to do a video for that. So until next time, have fun growing your business.